What's going on, guys? Mix It here, back again for another cocktail. And kicking off the Christmas series is the Disaronno White Russian, made famous from the Big Lebowski in 1998. I've got to say, that's a fantastic film, made famous from the dude.
In the limo, you son of a bitch, no argument. Hey, careful, man. There's a beverage here, huh?
Who had 7 in that film. If you've ever watched it, I recommend it. It's fantastic. So to make the Disaronno, I was going to say it should be heavy cream, but I want to see how the Disaronno Velvet sits on top since it's a cream. So it's going to be 1 part of each, 30ml, 1 ounce of each. So the first one in our ingredient, guys, is 30ml or 1 ounce of Kahlua, our coffee liqueur. Next, 30ml or 1 ounce of vodka. I'm using the Whitley Neal, the Russian brand of the vodka. First time of me trying this. And last but not least, 30ml or 1 ounce of Disaronno Velvet. But if you want to make a proper White Russian, it is 1 ounce of heavy cream. So with the Disaronno, we'll go layer it on. And there we go, guys, 1 White Russian. But we could use a smaller glass in all honesty for this one. But I think it adds to the taste. It slows the cream a lot, the eyes, especially when you're layering it on top. But I can't complain with the results at all, because it looks very pretty. It's not. But with the White Russian, when you see it in the Big Lebowski, it mixes it all together, so it's pure white. So how does it taste, the White Russian? I think my honesty is I prefer the Black Russian. I'm trying to like it, but it's not my favourite, this. There's something about the cream to me, it's got to say, I'll mix it, see if it tastes any better with that if I mix it. See if it tastes any better. There we go, that's better, that's much better. That's much better. It's going to say, so the key to this drink is to mix it completely. Because now we can taste the coffee liqueur, I can taste the Kahlua. That's much better. Because it's not as horrible, that. There we go. I can taste the almonds with it as well. Oh, that's beautiful. But when I just laid it on, I thought, why is it not tasting right? But that's beautiful. I can taste the Kahlua now. The coffee liqueur, it's all coming to me now, the taste. That's much, much better. Because I'd be disappointed if I hated a drink like that, especially when the Black Russian is one of my favourites to me, and the White Russian, that's not bad at all, especially with the cream. I thought it was going to ruin the taste, but it hasn't. Mix it all together, and to me it looks a lot like a Bailey's when you mix it all at once. But that, guys, is a White Russian. I would recommend probably a smaller glass than the rocks, but oh well. It's nice and chilled, it's nice. I'd give that probably 7 out of 10. I still prefer the Black Russian. I think Kahlua and vodka just go hand in hand. To me, Black Russian is still my go-to, 8 out of 10, but with the white, it's still nice, but I prefer the black. What do you guys think of the Big Lebowski, especially with the dude who loves his White Russians? Like I said, I recommend the film, it's a very good film. But I've been Mixed, and this has been the Disaronno White Russian. What do you guys think? Well, this starts off our Christmas series, and the next drink I will be making will be the Grinch mocktail for a special little lady. And I will see you for the Grinch mocktail. Cheers.